if you want to examine bipolar type of sensory neurons, you can use a section of the eye, such as this one, and go to the back area of the eye, the one that is opposite this part, because this is your cornea, and this would be the sclera, or the back area. And this colorful multi-layered structure would be your retina. For finding your bipolar neuron, you just have to focus in this area. Okay? So here you can already see some cell bodies. So these would be your bipolar neurons, and their axons will be somewhere here, while the dendrites will be somewhere in here, in this layer. We can try to see more details using the high magnification, although it's quite difficult to differentiate, but at least we can appreciate the cell bodies of your bipolar neurons in the retina.